The Waterpik Triple Sonic Toothbrush. Head's replacement in a pack of 3 is a reliable choice for maintaining optimal oral hygiene. Designed by Waterpik, a trusted brand in dental care products, these replacement brush heads come in a classic white color. Each pack includes 3 high-quality brush heads made of durable nylon, ensuring effective cleaning and longevity. These replacement brush heads are specifically designed for adults catering to a wide age range. The 3-count pack offers convenience and versatility, allowing users to replace their toothbrush heads promptly to maintain hygiene standards recommended by dental professionals. The size and design of these brush heads ensure compatibility with Waterpik Triple Sonic electric toothbrush models, making them a seamless fit for your oral care routine. Overall, the Waterpik Triple Sonic toothbrush heads replacement is a practical choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy and clean smile. With its quality construction.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.